Bitcoin reached all-time high, as I mentioned in previous analysis that we shared in our public Telegram. And at this moment, the most important question, how we can make money right now, what would be the next move, and how far it can go. First, remind to you, I shared exactly this public analysis. It was September 27, where I warn you, key area 106, 107, it is the best place to take long on BTC. After that, you can see I did other updates where I showed to you that the key areas, best key areas, 117, 123, and 112. You can see price exactly reached 123, even more than I expected. And at this moment, the most important question, what we can do the next. Before I tell you, I ask you at this moment to open any analysis, any video, and go down, follow me on my public Telegram, because really important updates you will find there. Regarding BTC, at this moment, remember that we still in this uptrend since Mr. Trump started tariffs. It was exactly here in April. We still have this beautiful bullish uptrend. Remember a golden rule of trading. You never go against a trend. You always, your major task is to follow a trend, because you don't know when it would be broken. Even about breakout of a trend, often it happens after significant volume or news events. At this moment, we have nearly nothing, and that's a reason why at this moment I am not interested to look for reversal. Additional reason, it is based on volume. Have a look here. Let's go to BTC. I would like to show you volume analysis of BTC. Pay attention that at this moment volume on Bitcoin, nothing special. Pay attention how volume, let's go to bigger time frame, 12 hours, it would be very accurate. Pay attention how volume were much bigger when Mr. Trump entered office. When Mr. Trump, it was exactly here, president election of the United States. It was his inauguration. You can see we had several significant volume spikes with nearly 81 billion worth of volume. That's a lot. Pay attention that last several weeks, I would say even several months, volume on BTC only decreasing. Why does that matter? Because nearly each time when we had a top or a bottom, it always happened after series of significant volume, especially at range high, as it was, for example, here. And after that, beautiful drop. The same had happened at bottom. Significant volume, beautiful bottom. At this moment, nothing. That's a reason why at this moment I don't like to look for reversal until it actually happens. If there would be a reversal, yes, I will trade reversal. But right now, my major task at this moment that I shared within our community, it is this one. In the case of range, the best one, it would be if the price would retest VWAP. In that case, we will look for a long VWAP plus POC of this range, as the price is here. That means key level at this moment, it is 117,700. It is my first major plan long in the case of pullback to VWAP. Second option, it is a little bit different option. It is if the price create a range at this moment, at this range high, because sometimes you can see after a major pullback, a major move, price sometimes does not retest VWAPs. It simply create a range and go on. Create a range and go on. Right now, we need something like this, because only in that case it would be possible to take good trade. 14 days, here 11 days. At least more than 10 days we need to take a good trade. Even here, this after that move, it was 14 days. It's not the first, not the last time when BTC create a range before actually significant move happens. That's why my recommendation is to wait and to take a trade while it happens. What should you do right now? At this moment, you have unique opportunity. If you would like to make such results as we do with our teammates and community members, when we share such signals, when we teach people how to make such profits, when people share with us that those videos, it was last piece of a puzzle that they needed to be profitable. At this moment, you have unique opportunity. You can get one-on-one strategic session without trader analysis, and plus access to our scalping course where we share with you our step-by-step strategy. What you do in description, there would be a first link here, unlock session. There would be several few super easy questions that you need to reply. As you can see, you reply even them automatically. After that, share your name and phone number, email, and my team will help you to get all of this beautiful stuff. Let's go to other top coins that I would like to share with you at this moment. The most important that I would like to speak, it is of course a Dogecoin, because I also remember we shared also a plan with a Dogecoin. If you follow me here in our public channel, a few seconds, it was exactly this plan that I showed to you in the case of retest to POC to take long, target 26. Major goal was to cover all of this imbalance. What Dogecoin did, maybe it was the best played out of our plan. Dogecoin exactly retested 26 area and exactly bounced from this POC. I hope you made money. If you made money at this moment, write a comment that you made money on Dogecoin and push like, follow me, because that's the best thank you from your side. Regarding Dogecoin, we have at this moment this upward channel, and our major task is to look for this channel continuation. You can see this channel. I would say even this one. From my point of view, the best short would be only in the case of high taking, because you can see previous times what they did. They took high after that big reversal, took high, big reversal. That's why, from my point of view, let's build a view up at this moment to see where is the key resistance on our beautiful Dogecoin. You can see 2.5 VWAP deviation at this moment played out as a crucial resistance, 2.5 and third deviation. By the way, about this indicator VWAP, I will add a link into description, and about video lesson about volume profile also watch, learn how to use it. That's why that's a key resistant area. It is where it would be potentially good to look for a short around 31, 33 area. About long, new long, possible only in two cases. First case, it is of course biggest stop loss hunt into 22 area, or price create a range, bigger range for several days, and after that we take long to take swing high. Only after range or stop loss hunt, it's possible to take new long. Short at this swing high. Let's go to Ethereum. My previous plan was, if you remember my analysis on Ethereum, honestly, I thought that this breakdown was a trend change, and price here, if price would consolidate, I would look for short. You can see price came back into range. At this moment, it looks like my short plan failed. In a case of retest to POC, for me, it would be potentially a good place to take long. Here, I would use a local confirmation. Why? Because my friends, with local confirmations, trades would be way, way better. The next one, it is of course BNB. Remember here I shared with you to take short here in a case of confirmed trap. That's example for you. Let me show to you difference between a trap and when price push through, and when price create a breakout. A trap, it is once more when we have a lot of buyers or sellers rush into some area with no result. That's example for you how a trap of short sellers looks like. Trap, and what happened after that beautiful pullback? Perfect setup confirmation. But when BNB reached, you can see BNB reached the swing high, price didn't stop. you can see open interest started to increase slowly and price squeeze up. That's not a trap, my friends. That's a breakout, and in that case, you don't take a trade. That's why sometimes when I share analysis, it's difficult because in trades we always use local confirmations, and sometimes local confirmation could tell me that I don't need to take a trade here. But in some cases, yes, and it's difficult to predict before whether it happens or not. That's why I share with you here about local confirmation. About BNB, trend go on. There's I don't see any single bull trap. I think at this moment we see acceleration, we see a volume increase on BNB. That's why at this moment, from my point of view, there could be some acceleration, price discovery, and after that it would be end of the cycle. That's why at this moment do not look for reversal until there would be major volume spike. And the last one, of course, the most interesting one, because at this moment, I think on the Ripple situation way better, because it is really awesome to take trades with open interest before actually move happens. At this moment on Ripple, we have huge rise in open interest. Since this range started, open interest increased by 116 million contracts with average price around $3. It is 350, approximately 350 million worth of positions. That's a lot. That's a significant amount of money. And of course, the most important question, what would be direction of a move? Because within our community, I must be honest with you, I try to take short on Friday. I try to take short on Friday. They hit my stop loss exactly into a high because when something like this happens, it's better to take trades at range high. From my point of view, when price breaks this range, it would be a clear direction for us. If price break below, it will go down to take all of the lows. If price break up, it would be a significant move because pay attention on a bigger time frame where that open interest at this moment accumulates. You can see that that open interest accumulates around POC of this entire range. If price break this range down, from my point of view, it will go down to 240, 260. Why at this moment, I cannot tell you that it's definitely for short or it's definitely for long. Because in some cases, it's way easier to tell you what would be direction of a move after open interest. If you remember my analysis about Dogecoin, about AVAX, when I shared quite a lot of signals with our community members, for me, it was really easy to give signals on those coins because I was clear with the direction of a move. But at this moment, when price exactly in the middle, honestly, it's tricky because from one side we have BTC bullish. That means we must be bullish. From other side, BTC rise, Ripple don't. And if BTC would make a pullback, Ripple could make an even bigger move. That's why at this moment I would recommend you not. Mm, I would recommend you simply to wait. If price break below fix, it's a signal that we go to 260, 240. If price break out, it would be a signal that we go up to 338 or even to a previous high. What you do at this moment, push like, go and get your one-on-one session, get access to our scalping course to make money while price rise and drop. And right now I prepared for you a deep video lesson about open interest, because you can see open interest can show to you powerful areas and powerful situations when significant move happens, and it's worth it. That's why watch this video lesson. Have a good time.